Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 22 creative ways to repurpose your old cell phones. From practical uses to fun projects, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Should I just throw away my old phones? No, don't throw away old phones. Improper disposal contributes to e-waste, harming the environment. Recycle or refurbish them instead. If giving your phone away, back up and wipe your data to prevent unauthorized access. Method 1. Recycle your old phone. Recycling is an eco-friendly option to dispose of old phones properly. Steps. Find a local electronics recycling center. Remove SIM and memory cards. Drop off the phone at the center or participating retail store. Method 2. Pass your phone to kids. Transform your old phone into a useful gadget for your kids. Steps. Connect to Wi-Fi for app access. Add a protective case and screen protector. Disable unwanted features to ensure safety. Method 3. Sell your old smartphone. Sell your old phone online or to the manufacturer for some extra cash. Steps. Clear all data from the phone. Choose a resale platform like Gazelle or a manufacturer trade-in program. Follow instructions to send the phone and receive payment or credit. Method 4. Donate your old phone. Donate your phone to charities or programs to help those in need. Steps. Select a charity like Cell Phones for Soldiers. Clear all personal data. Ship or drop off the phone as instructed by the charity. Method 5. Use as a TV remote. Repurpose your old phone into a handy TV remote. Steps. Download a remote control app. Connect your phone to your TV via Wi-Fi. Use the app to control your TV and other devices. Method 6. Security camera. Turn your phone into a home security camera for added safety. Steps. Install a security camera app. Set up the phone in a desired location. Monitor the feed remotely through the app. Use your old phone for diverse purposes. As a media player, ebook reader, alarm clock, wireless webcam, video chat device, baby monitor, gaming device, GPS, heart rate monitor, and more. For detailed steps, check the full article on Mobikin's website. Before getting a new phone, ensure a seamless data transition. Using Mobikin Transfer for Mobile, which efficiently transfers data across different operating systems. That's it for today's video. We hope these ideas help you find new uses for your old cell phones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.